From school in tears. Somehow your songs have stayed within me down through all the years. Once when my younger heart was broken, your shoulder was there to cry on. Sing me those songs I know will linger long after you have gone. I've been standing at the threshold, the chapter in my life. I'm asking for your blessing as I to be the wife of a man I know who loves me, and I'm proud to be his bride. Di ba po ako'y kakasal?